All right, guys, we have an absolutely beautiful Adrenaline Impulse here. Fully rebuilt this from my good friend Ryan. Full teardown tune. Yeah, this is the best shooting Impulse I've ever shot. I don't know if that's because it's an Adrenaline. Seems like the parts are all stock. I just think I took a little bit more time getting it shooting good. Sadly, we got a Revy on there, so can't shoot too fast. But this gauge is off by about 50. When I put this on my reg tester, it's at about 145. This is showing about 190. So 275, 279, 281, 278, 284. Crappy paint too, and I think 689 insert. So 283, 281, 279. So good group in there. This trigger is absolutely money. Let me use this. There we go. Look how little this trigger pull is. So, all right, let's rip this thing. Having a brain fart here. That's Revy's for you. Wish I could throw a die on there, shoot this thing 20 balls a second, but man, thing's absolutely beautiful. As you can see, eyes work. Yeah, thing is absolutely awesome. Cannot wait for you to shoot this.